Hi guys, Arvind back again with one more new video. So today's topic is I wanna explain you how to take care of your injuries during training or maybe during your transformation. So I wanna share about my experience because I come across 2 injuries and I'm gonna share with you how you can handle it. So before going to my injury recovery, I just want to give you a small example so that you can relate how to handle your injuries. So basically, think that you're driving on a car or a bike, your tire get punctured, either your car tire or your bike tire. So will you keep traveling or will you stop immediately? So the soon you know it, you stop the car or a bike and see the puncture, or maybe take it to nearby puncture shop and then repair it, or take out that whatever the puncture you have and then put a bandage and then see air is not going anywhere and then move on. If you don't do that and if you keep going even after getting your tire get punctured, what happens? So you have a tube inside the your bike tire, right? So if you don't stop immediately and if you keep moving forward, what happens? There is a chance of you having a multiple punctures and maybe you need to change the entire tube inside your tire. Maybe you should have come across this. So the best thing is stop immediately as soon as you know it, and assess what is a problem with the tire, puncture, and do a corrective action, and then again start traveling. So the same thing happens to a fitness. Okay, so same thing happens to when you go for an injury. So most of the time you will know whenever you fall and maybe you're trying to lift something and you have some kind of a cramp somewhere, immediately stop it. Don't prolong that and don't continue the workout. Immediately stop it. And also most of the times it will happen mainly because of the bad form or ego lifting. So what is a bad form? Is you're not doing in a right form exercise, and what is ego lifting is you're not ready to do your body is not ready to lift that much of heavy weight. You just keep pushing and you actually breaking yourself. I'll explain you what is my 2 injuries. So I was doing a deadlifting, so I didn't had a proper gear. First of all, that's a mistake from my side. But I had a belt with very loose, and what I did is I put some support and I started lifting. Somehow my form went wrong and I got a back cramp. When I was pulling up my bubble bar, I got a sound, okay, click. There is a small sound and it started paining heavily. What I did, I just dropped my bar and I just walked for some time and breathe in, breathe out. I did a couple of breathe in, breathe out, but this pain is not gone. So what I did, I stopped my exercise. First thing I went is, I want to see whether it is a fracture or it is a muscle cramp. I visited a doctor and we did the x-ray. Luckily there was no fracture, and it was a muscle cramp, and the doctor has gave some D vitamin tablets, and also he recommended to a physiotherapy. And I went and did the physiotherapy, and basically what happened is my muscle got stiff and it got cramped, and I had to go through a couple of physio sessions and I start getting better. So during this injury, so what I did, for example, my back is hurt. First of all, I stopped training for 2 days. Okay, first of all, because the pain was bearable, I did not wanted to take any more further damage until and unless I know exactly what is the damage happened. Okay, so I took a break. As soon as the doctor said there is no bone injury, that is a big relax, and he said that to go in a slow and don't stretch that particular muscle, remaining all you can do it. I started doing a physiotherapy, and parallelly I started hitting gym again, but I didn't do anything. I didn't do a deadlift for almost like 4 weeks because I don't want to until and unless my muscle gets better, so I don't want to do it. So I continued all other exercises. So within 3 weeks time or within 4 weeks time, I'm completely all right, and I'm still going through my physiotherapy because I traveled to India. It got a break, but it really helped the physiotherapy has really helped, and my muscle, whatever that stiffness is there, it got loosened up, and I was able to do again all my workouts. So if you see the overall, I use the same basic common sense what we use when we our tire get punctured. It's a simple. So you don't need to what actually people does it is even though there is a pain, you just neglect it and keep pushing, and keep doing more and more and reps, and you're actually damaging more and more and more, and finally it became a big injury, and you have to take a break completely for 3 months or 4 months, depends on the injury. So don't ever do that, guys. The moment you feel there is something wrong with the form or there is some pain, stop it, assess what is wrong, and then take a corrective actions, and see if there is any you feel that there is a minor cramp or anything, visit to the doctor, do a scan, and see everything is perfect. Once you are clear that you don't have anything, then again start continuing it. So you have so much of time to do it, guys. Don't do just because you want to push, and don't do just because you want to lift heavy. It doesn't help you anything. The soon you identify this and stop it, and then take a corrective action, the better the faster you're gonna recover it. If you keep pushing it and you do a ego lift and you damage big time, then it will take a long time and you need to take a long break. Hope you like this video. So what I want to say it is, so whenever you come across an injury, so don't do a ego lifting. First of all, check a form, check on your form of the exercise. Most of the times injuries happens because of the bad form and lifting heavy, and so until and unless your form is corrected, don't increase the weights. Try to beat. Even if you get injured, stop immediately, take a visit to the doctor and see what is the injury and how severe is the injury, and then continue and take a corrective actions, and slowly again come back to the your exercise. So that's all, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, and if you want to say something about this video, please do in the comment section. And if you want to help me in spreading a right knowledge, please share this video with your friends and family. Till then, Arvind signing off. Bye bye, guys. I'll be back with one more new video. Till then, be safe, be secure, take care of yourself.